Good morning guys, today I would like to show you how to change wallpaper on Android 14. At first open the settings, then find and select wallpaper and style and click on change wallpaper. Now select the album from which you want to select your display, then choose the picture, personalize it, and click on Set Wallpaper. Then decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both. I would like to set it on both home and lock screens. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see from now on, this picture is covering both your home and lock screens. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.